We have lots of opportunities in the Makerspace. We have a thing called Makernoons, which are the classes that we run. We do a lot of 3D printing and design. We teach why do you want to get involved in 3D printing in the first place? What's it actually about? Which again, we've got fantastic feedback from. We can teach anyone how to press the buttons, but the question is, why do you want to press the buttons in the first place? See, I can teach a skill to anyone, but if you know why you want to use the skill, it's a whole other story altogether. Electronic circuit bending and Arduino creation, photography and physical manipulation. The guy on the left-hand side, we made light pens. We showed people how to make them out of stuff that comes directly out of Bunnings. And then how to actually use a camera to create an environment where you can actually draw with light. It was a great session. Digital skills lessons we talked about, classes for all ages, and in fact, we also direct a lot of people to lynda.com. So we at the library have our own subscription, which allows people to go in and do further learning with the stuff with whatever subject they want. Planning for the future. We've got a number of things on the screen here. I would love to see, and we're planning on getting some very small design 3D printers so people can come in and actually borrow a printer, put it on a desk and work, instead of having to wait for a larger printer and not be able to do it on a personal level. A lot of our big challenge is taking commercial products and being able to make it public. So how do you make, let's say, a CNC router public? How do we take that formal education learning and that button pressing that's really been designed for the commercial industry? How do we make that accessible? We have a Glowforge, a laser cutter, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people here are familiar with. It's a new design laser cutter which sits on a desktop. We're looking forward to getting that and being able to teach people the basics on laser cutting, whether it's plastic sticker material or Perspex. This is a great tool when it comes to empowering people to build their own dreams, really. And of course, virtual reality. That's going to be the big thing. VR next 6 months, right? It's going to be, you'll go down to Target and drop $400 and put a headset on, and it'll change the whole way everyone's going to be interacting on a digital world. It's going to be interesting, and a lot of people have talked about it much better than I would.